Alright, let's try the first part. We'll start with the first topic for ratios. Alright, can you try the first question? This question is the XCAT question. Fine, this was in CAT 2006. ठीक है, तो CAT में आता है, बाकी एग्जाम में बहुत कॉमनली आता है. Fine, before we do this question, let's start with the easy question. How to, suppose if we have three people, A, B, C, as 2 is to 3 is to 5, to find the ratio of A by C. Fine. Or we have two people, for example, this will be 2A to 2A. A by C is 2 by 5. ठीक है, ये तो बहुत easy हो गया, चलेगा. तो I'll park this question on the side. The problem will be they will give you like A by B is 2 by 3 and B by C is 4 by 5. Then find the value of A by C. Fine. First you have to compare A is to B is to C. एक बार तीनों को सेम रेशियो में लाने के बाद then you have to start solving the question. That's a typical method to solve this question. Fine. Any other method you know? कैसे किया था? It is a typical method. Suppose now there are 5 people, A, B, C, D, E, F, so I have to compare all of them into one stage, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, F, and then start solving the question. Fine, that's a typical method to solve. Alright, to avoid the confusion, if I want to find A and C, I'll give you two methods. Whichever is comfortable you are, you can solve that method. If you have done the basics, the lecture basics, do you remember we did, agar A by B is 2 by 3, so A is 2K, B is 3K, and B is 4K, then C is 5K. So I can put A as 2K, and then put A, B as comparative to A, and then post. Okay, that is another method, but that will again we have to compare 3 and 4K. फिर LCM लेके you have to solve by LCM only. There is no other method, but where you can't compare. Alright, there's one easy method for this thing, that rather than doing all these things, fine, the easiest of all would be that if I have to find A by C, I can write it as A by B into B by C. A by B I know is 2 by 3, जो पहले किया था, and this is 4 by 5. So फटाफट cross multiply के 8 by 15 is my answer. चलेगा, that is the easiest method which you can do. Fine. So if it is in this case, suppose if I talk about this question, if I instead of this thing, if I give you a question like find the value of A by E, तो कितना आएगा? तो A by B, B by C, C by D and D by E. Why I am doing this? Because if I cut B, B, C, C, D, D, everything will be gone, so I will left with A by E. So same answer आ जाएगा. लेकिन यहाँ पे तो आपको कुछ और ही निकालना है. How to solve this thing? Alright, so yes, for this thing A by D is one part which is nothing but A by B, B by C, C by D. Fine. Second part is B by E, which is B by C, C by D and D by E. And last is C by F, so C by D, D by E, E by F. So all of them, I will multiply everything and I will get my answer. Fine. So that's a typical method which you can follow to solve this question. Or what she is suggesting, okay, rather than taking all these things, if I try to find out the combination between these people, that is one method. Or if I try to find out the combination A by E will be more easier, which will make B by D easy, B by F and C by D, because C by D is easy to know. इसके लिए calculation, but end of the day calculation will be almost same. तो वही आंसर आएगा. Fine, but 30 seconds to solve the question. चलेगा. So can you find the answer for this? Fine. How much is A by D? A by B is 1 by 3 into B by C 2 into C by D half. तो half of चला गया, तो A by D is 1 by 3. First part. Similarly from here I will get my second part, which is 2 into C by D half into D by E 3. So left with 3. And C by F, C by D is half and D by E is 3, E by F is 1 by 4. So this is 3 by 8. So 3 into 1/3 दोनों निकल गया, तो left over is 3 by 8. CAT 2006. Fine. तो एक बार जो CAT में आ गया तो बाकी एग्जाम में तो आ जाएगा. स्नैप, नरसिम्हा जी, तो वेरी कॉमन क्वेश्चन फॉर एवरी एग्जाम. चलेगा. Alright, can you look at the next CAT question? This was in CAT 2002. Fine. Salary of Aman, Balram, Chandan and Dheeraj is 2:3, 2:5, 3:7. So not 2002, this is CAT 2012 question. 2:5:3:7. If Dheeraj gets, so A, B, C, D, I have changed the values accordingly. Fine. If Dheeraj gets 40,000 more than Balram, then find these questions. There was one question, I have given you 12 questions here. So if you can answer all these 12 questions, you can solve any question possible. Alright, if the value right now is 2354, okay, before we do this question, let's start with the basics of this topic. अगर दो people, if the two people, A, B is 3:2, तो अगर ये 90 है, तो ये कितना आएगा? 60. Why? Because if this is 30 times, this will also be 30 times. चलेगा? If I give you 2 is 40, डबल हो गया, 20 times हो गया, तो ये भी 20 times 60. Fine. So if I give you one value, I can find every other value. Fine. But the problem starts in this case. If I give you like A plus B is 100. So how much is A plus B here? 5. 5 is given to you as 100. So everything is multiplied by 20. Fine. So A कितना आ गया? Into 20, 60. Into 20, 40. Fine. Last part to this question. If I give you A minus B is 40. How much is A minus B here? 10. 1. 1 is 40. This means everything is multiplied by 40. तो ये कितना आ जाएगा? 120 into 40, 80. Any doubt in this part? किसी को कोई डाउट है इस चीज़ का? Fine. That is the advantage, the difference between the workshop and the long term. That long term we have done this thing in detail. Workshop we don't have enough time to go into the detail of all these things. So alright, now can you try this question? The ratio between A, B, C, D is given to you as 2:5:3:7. If Dheeraj minus Balram, B minus D is 40,000. How much is B minus D here? 2K. So 2K, 2 is 40,000. So 1 is 20 times. So everything will be multiplied by 20,000. So first question, find the total salary. Total is total of these 4 people. So 12 plus 17. 7 into 34,000. Fine. So total of these people is 17. Alright, so 17 into 20,000 each. So 3,40,000. 340,000. Alright, perfect. Salary of A. A was 2. So everything is multiplied by 20 here. Fine. So 2 into 20, 40,000. So A is 40,000. Salary of B, 5 into 40, so 100,000 or 1 lakh. Salary of C into 20,000, 60,000. Any doubt in this thing? किसी को कोई भी doubt है? और next salary of D, 7 तो 7 का double 14,000, 140,000, 1,40,000. Fine. Who is earning the highest salary? D, obviously, because D is the highest package. So D is the highest salary. Salary of A plus B, without knowing the value of ABC, can you find A plus B? A plus B is 7. So 7 into 20. चलेगा? Alright, next question. Salary of B plus C. B plus C. B plus C is 8. 8 into double 160. तो सैलरी ऑफ बी कम टू बी 160. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सैलरी ऑफ सी प्लस डी. 2, 5, 3, 7. A, B, C, D. सैलरी ऑफ C प्लस D. C प्लस is 10. So 10 into 20, 2 lakh, 2 lakh. D plus A. So all these things I can find out easily. कुछ भी दे दो I can find out. Only thing you need to know is 1. एक भी परसेंट आपको दे दिया या किसी का भी गैप दे दिया, I can find out everything. चलेगा? That is the main part of the chapter. Fine. सैलरी ऑफ सी माइनस ए, सी माइनस ए, गैप इज 1, तो 1 कितना था 20,000. ऑलराइट, ए प्लस बी प्लस सी, ए प्लस बी प्लस सी, 8 प्लस 2 10, 10 इंटू 20,000 2 लाख. लास्ट टू आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. रेशियो ऑफ ए बाई सी, ए कितना था 40,000 एंड सी कितना था 60,000. 40/60 2/3. एक चीज़ हमने पहले भी की थी कि रेशियो निकालने के लिए या परसेंटेज के लिए वी डोंट नीड टू फाइंड द टोटल, सो आई कैन जस्ट सिंपली डू a by c 2/3. Alright, rather than finding out the values, I can simply play along these two things. चलेगा. Last thing, percentage increase from B to D. B to D. Gap 2, starting point 5. 2/5, 1/5 20%, 2/5 40%. So gap percent increase is 40% from B to D. चलेगा. Alright, so if you understand this basic question, let's cover up few more questions. Alright, so that's the question we have just covered. Alright, this is CAT 2002 question. Can you try this without using pen? In this question, the main thing is to find out what are the ratio of the 4 people. So we have the first person as Mayank, Mirza, Little and Jaspal. There are 4 people who bought a bike for 60k. So your total is 60. Sum of the 4 people should be 60. Can you find this ratio? If I just look at the first part, Mayank paid half of the sum of the amount paid by the other boys. What do you mean by that? M Mayank, My is half of Mirza plus Little plus Jaspal. एक इक्वेशन आएगा. फाइन. देन मिर्ज़ा पेड 1/3, सो मिर्ज़ा M is 1/3 amount paid by the others. So of Mayank plus Little plus Jaspal. So this will make 4 equation and I'll use 4 equation to do this question. Brilliant way to solve if we are doing by equations. Again, unfortunately today we are doing arithmetic, we're not doing equations. Fine. Equations का workshop will be next workshop. We'll pick up everything on equations, but अभी नहीं. So this method is out. इक्वेशन ही बना. इंजीनियर को इक्वेशन बनाने में प्रॉब्लम आती है, इंजीनियर किसी को भी इक्वेशन प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती है. ठीक है, इक्वेशन तो मेथड तो आता ही है, लेकिन जो इक्वेशन जब सॉल्व करने बैठोगे ना तो आधा घंटा लगेगा. तो इसके लिए प्लीज़ अवॉइड इक्वेशन, स्पेशली क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस. इफ टोटल अमाउंट इज 60 रुपीज़, Mayank पेड half more than the sum paid by the others. तो Mayank ने कितना दिया, टोटल में से कितना दिया? नहीं, हाफ नहीं दिया. Half then the amount. Suppose other people paid X, तो he paid half X. So total कितना आ गया? 1 plus half, 1.5x. और मिर्ज़ा paid 1/3. 1 तो था ही plus half. This is 1 plus half, 1/3. 1.5 times is 60. 20. What I'm doing here is I'm assuming everyone else to be X. Apart from your Mayank, ठीक है, Mayank को छोड़ के I am assuming everyone to be X. Let me redo this equation. Fine. So अगर suppose let's say everyone else apart from Mayank total is X, 20, 30, 40, whatever. Fine. Mayank is paying half of that. So 0.5 of the total amount X. So total become 1.5x. 1.5x is 60 total amount. तो X कितना आ गया? 60 by 1.5, 40. 40 is paid by everyone. So Mayank paid half of that, 20. Or let me assume the everyone paid X amount. ठीक है, he paid half of that. So half of this guy and one full of these two guys. Or if I'm only considering half of half, he is paying half, total 3 parts. So Mayank is paying 1/3. 1/3 of 60, 20. चलेगा? Yep. Second guy, Mirza paid 1/3 of the sum paid by other. So Mirza paid only 1/3. Remaining 1 have paid by the other people. 1 मतलब they have paid 3 times 1/3. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 4 पार्ट हो गया. तो मतलब मिर्जा है पेड 1/4. 1/4 means 15. Alright, let me do this part again. Fine. Now if I want to use equations, then Mirza paid 1/3. So 1/3 of x plus x is 60. So 4/3 x is 60. If I cross multiply, x come out to be 15. So if I want to use equations, still I can do the same question. 15. Doubt? Sorry, x come to be 45. So Mayank का part come to be 15. Fine, sorry, this is 45. True. Fine. So Mayank कितना था? 1/3 of x. 1/3 of x 15. तो 15 आ गया. Alright, last question. Little paid 1/4 of the total paid by the others. Fine. So 1/4 0.25 plus सबका total 1. So 1.25 is 60. So he become 1/5. 1/5 of 60 is 12. Yeah. See, if I am paying 1/5, fine. So मतलब जो remaining जो 4 parts है, they are all equal 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5 for the remaining people. 1/5 of the total, sorry, not 1/5. तो 1/4. तो Lalit paid 1/4 of the total. Remaining 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 3 part. Total कितना आ गया? 1. So last part will be remaining 60 minus this 13. चलेगा? Doubt? When we are looking at the CAT questions, obviously there will be some calculation involved. Fine. So 4 people total is 60. Mayank paid. Let me do the question again. Mayank paid half of the paid by the others. Fine. So Mayank has paid half. Suppose other is x. So total becomes 1.5x. Total is 60. So x आ गया 1.5. 60 by 1.5. 0.5 of x will be 20. Say similarly, B paid 1/3. So 1/3 plus 1, 1.33 of x is 60. So I get my value of x. उसका 1/3 लिया तो 15. Similarly, third guy is paying 12. So last part total is 60. So last part will be paying 13. This is a typical CAT question which you are going to get in the exam. The question will not be very very easy or straightforward. थोड़ा सा ऐसे twist आएगा where you have to understand the question and then solve. Fine. So but now we are able to using the equation. एक बार ये ratio बन गया, फिर जो भी निकालने को आ जाएगा we can find out. ठीक है. Suppose once you get the ratio of the 4 people, suppose totally 60,000, तो Jaspal will be paying 13,000. ठीक है. Because the ratio will always remain same. Alright. Alright, that's my favorite question, CAT 2001. Without using pen, or you can just make an equation. Alright, there are 3 ways to solve this question. First way is using equations. Fine. So first, let's say total each passing marks was same. So let's say passing marks was x. So this guy have got 6x plus 7x plus 8x, 9x and 10x. Fine. That's the total marks here. What is the total here? 40.
8 into 5, 40.
40x is total. 40x is given to us 60%. Fine. तो मतलब 40x is equal to 60. So x आ गया. X आ गया तो I'll find the value of all these people. Fine. So using x आ जाएगा. Fine. Then एक बार सारे आंसर निकल गए. Then you have to find how many of them were greater than 50%. चलेगा? Fine. So that is one method. So alright. So I'll remove this thing or keep it on the side for the time being. Alright, so let me park it here. Another method is using assuming a value. Suppose each of them is 100 marks or 120 marks. Suppose so 120, 120. I'm taking 120 because ease of calculation. 100 भी होता लेकिन ease of calculation 120. So each course paper was 120 marks. So you have scored 60% of that, 70% of that, 80%, 90%, 10 of that. Fine. So using that thing, I'll get the values and then solve it. Fine. But this is not the way we are solving the question till now. Till now we have used the x, a, b, c, d wala part. Fine. Now what is the average of this number? Any consecutive number will have the middle number as the average. So uska average कितना आएगा? 8
into 5.
8 is given to you as 60% average. अगर 8 is 60%, which is how much? 3/4. अगर मैं उसको 3/4 कर दूँ, I'll get my average. So मतलब अगर 80% 8 is 60%, तो 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If this is 60%, which is 3/4, how much will be this into 3/4? चलेगा. Basically 8 into say 30/4 किया, तो I'll get 60. So same thing here, I'll multiply 30/4. Understood what I'm doing? Same way we did earlier. अगर B is given to you as 80, then how much will be A? Whatever is the ratio of that guy will be the same ratio for this guy. So if multiplying factor here is 30/4, I'll multiply same thing by 30/4, which is 21210/4. Same this into 30/4. 30/4 will be 180/4. And 9 into 30/4 will be more than this. Question is how many of them have scored more than 50 marks. So 10 obviously will get more than 50. 8 is also more than 50. 9 also more than 50. So I just check for this. 210/4 is how much? Is 50 plus 52.5. So he's also more than 50. Last bacha 180/4 is 45. So less than 50. So 4 people are there who are more than 50. Alright, we'll do this question again. Fine. What I'm doing here is basically I am just finding out. Alright, before we do this thing, suppose is given to you as K 8 middle one is scoring have a salary of 60,000 rupees. So 8 कितना आ गया? 60,000. Similarly, I can find the value of these people. All 5. Same thing I'm doing here. 8 is given to you as 60%. So 8 is 60%. So मतलब your multiplying factor will be 30/4. So if I multiply everything by 30/4, I'll get my values. ठीक है. तो 7 into 30/4, I'll get value of B. 6 into 30/4, I'll get the value of A. Similarly 9 and 10. Now these two guys are already more than 50% because total was find the number of people more than 50. I don't need to find the value of 9 and 10. They are already more than 60. 8 is also equal to 60. Fine. Only thing you have to check is check for 7 wala. So 7 into 30, 21. 210/4. 200/4 is 50. So this is 52.5. How many more than 50 is number? 4 people. A, B, 4 people are more than 50. Alright, how come C 8 is 60%? Is because it's given to you the average of all these numbers is 60. Average salary of these 5 people is 60,000. अब ठीक है, fine. Now what is the average of these numbers? 8. So 8 is 60,000. अगर 8 is 60, I can find the multiplying factor for everyone. I don't need to check for 9 and 10 because I already know they are more than 60. Only thing I have to check is check for 6 and 7. 8 is also above 60. 50 के ऊपर कितने? That is the thing I have to find out. So all I have to do is I have to check for A and B, the first 2 people. First one is less than 60. Second one is above 60. Alright, that is a typical CAT question. Every year you will get one set like this. There will be one set, one dirty set, and 3 questions based on that. Fine. It's more of a logical puzzle than a maths ka question. Trust me. Fine. So it's a logical puzzle you have to solve and get 3 questions right. 2011 में भी question was based on like this equations. 2012 में question was based on set theory. 3 question, 1 set. Fine. So can you try one question? Remaining question we can solve later on. Fine. All you have to do here is find the ratio of all these people. So here there are total 4 people involved. His wife, his son Ben, Carl and Dave. 4 people. So how he is dividing the property among each other will be the total question. Alright, so how to solve this? Ideally will be, obviously we can solve by option, so we'll leave the option method for the later on. Let's try to understand the question, because अगर मैंने स्टार्टिंग ऑप्शन का मेथड बोल दिया तो फिर कोई सीखेगा नहीं फिर. तो अभी तो ऑप्शन आर वेरी वेरी फार अवे, कैन अप्रॉक्सीमेट. द मोमेंट यू गेट ऑप्शन एज 24, 25, 26, 27, then it is very very difficult to find out. Alright, so let's see how we can find out the ratio. So when the person died, he left the property equally among the 3 sons and the wife. Wife को 50% दे दिया and remaining equally among the 3 sons. Fine. So 50 is divided by 3 sons. So 50 by 3, 50 by 3, 50 by 3. ठीक है. So equally divided among all the 3 sons. Fine. Now for the later part, then when after some year when Ben died, he leave half the property for the widow and half the property for the Carl and Dave. Half for the widow. Alright. So rather than starting from this, it's even better to start with say half. Half. This is 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. Alright. Now when Ben died, he left half. So 1 by 6 ka half. 1 by 12 for the wife. And 1 by 12 equally divided among these 2 sons. So 1 by 24 and 1 by 24 for both the sons. ठीक है. So ये कितना आ गया? If I take 24 LCM, so 4 आ गया. 4 plus 1 5 by 24 and 5 by 24 with both the 2 sons D and C and D. Alright. Then when Carl make the will, so Carl ने क्या किया? Again half. So 5 by half 48. And 5 by 48 for the
plus
next brother, for the last brother.
5 60.
So we take a LCM of this thing. So total 48 आ गया. इसका double 10 plus 5. So 15 by 48 is the total amount which he had. Fine. And when he died, he kept half of the property for the wife and half for the mom. So mom got further half of this, which is 15 by 96. Fine. So 15 by 96 plus half. So out of 15,000, all you have to check is that if half is 15 and then 75 should be 15 by 96. अगर वो आता है तो ठीक हो गया, आंसर आ गया. देन आंसर 30. नहीं आता तो देन बाकी ऑप्शन चेक करना पड़ेगा. Fine. So 15 by 96 of x plus half of x is 15,75,000. I'll find the value of x. That is the normal method to solve. Even if you solve by the normal method, it will not take you more than 1 minute or 2 minutes worst case. Fine. CAT, CMAT, both the exams you got exactly 2 minutes time to solve per question. नारसिम्हा जी में क्वेश्चन देखेगा, नेक्स्ट का बटन दबाना और ऑप्शन से सॉल्व करो. फाइन. NMAT एग्जाम you don't have enough time to solve, you don't have a liberty to solve because there is only 1 question per minute. So NMAT के लिए we can't go deep down into solving this method. So NMAT वाले एग्जाम के लिए we have the घटिया method, option वाला. Fine. So let me erase this thing so that we can look at the.
Why we add that half?
Half because mom total salary with the mom right now is this thing. Mom earlier got half, wife got half, plus the remaining which you got now, which you have left it now. So all these things have to be added. Alright, so that was one way to solve the question. Fine. First of all, mom, if I just read the question or I did approximations, so mom should get more than 50%. 50 थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा. Fine. 50 से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा she'll get. Fine. How much extra? She got 1/3 from the first son. उसका half. So 1/3 का 1/8, 1/10 she should get ideally. चलेगा. 1/3 was left with the first son. उसने half छोटे भाई को दिया. उसने further half दिया. So मोटा मोटी some more amount than half she should get. Fine. Mom is remaining with 15 lakh. तो मतलब total cannot be 8 lakh obviously because she got half से थोड़ा ज़्यादा. Fine. 18 lakh is again not possible because 18 का half 9 plus something will never give you 15 lakh. तो दो ऑप्शन निकल गया. Now we are left with two option, 30 and 24. अब बताओ क्या करोगे? Fine. So once we have removed two options, के 8 is too less and 18 is too less, so we are left with two options. So both options are right. Either I can put in 30 as total and then check. She got half 15 and first son got this, second son got second this. Fine. So yes, we can solve 1% for 30 and then check कि answer आया कि नहीं आया. Fine. But and उसके advantage क्या है? The moment you start solving for 30, you'll understand you got 15 here. Remaining 15 is 555. इसका हाफ 2.5, इसका हाफ करते 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 स्टिल यू विल बी लेफ्ट विद मच मोर देन 75,000. सो मतलब 30 भी गया. सो रिमेनिंग ऑप्शन इज 24 lakh. फाइन. सो यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन विद इन 1 minute. फाइन. एंड देयर वर 3 क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सेम सेट के ऊपर 3 क्वेश्चन. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन वॉज दिस थिंग, फाइंड कार्ल्स ओरिजिनल शेयर. अभी सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा.
24 तो मिल गया सर.
This part of this question is कि you got 3 questions, so 2 minute per question, you got 6 minute का time to solve this question. Question easy है, हो जाएगा solve करने बैठोगे तो that's why I normally recommend कि if you have time, take your time और ये accuracy आना चाहिए. Fine, that is the most important thing. Even have to make the chart, trust me, it will take you not more than 1 minute to draw the complete chart. तो एक बार वही कि हाफ है वो हाफ का हाफ जो भी करना था, तो प्लीज़ टेक योर टाइम, नो प्रॉब्लम. वहाँ पे ड्रॉ करो बिकॉज 6 मिनट का टाइम है. कितना टाइम लगेगा ड्रॉ करने में? 1 मिनट, 2 मिनट, 3 मिनट, 4 मिनट. 4 मिनट में भी आपने कर लिया बिकॉज सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन इज 30 सेकेंड जॉब. देन फाइन. तो लेट्स टेक 3 minutes टू मेक द क्वेश्चन एंड हाफ ऑफ मिनट्स पर क्वेश्चन टू सॉल्व देम. तो 4.5 मिनट में पूरा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व. स्टिल यू आर एबल टू सॉल्व मोर टाइम, सेव मोर टाइम. और ये कैट में आएगा, हर साल कैट में जाएगा एटलीस्ट 1 or 2 क्वेश्चन वेयर देयर 2 to 3 सेट्स बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. कैट और जैट, दीज आर द 2 एग्जाम विच गिव यू द सेट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. सीमेट में एवरी क्वेश्चन में 1 इंडिविजुअल क्वेश्चन, हर एक क्वेश्चन 1-1 मार्क का, 1-1 क्वेश्चन आएगा इंडिविजुअल. सो यू डोंट हैव अ लिबर्टी टू टेक योर डिटेल्स, बट येस फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन फाइन. सो इफ देयर आर 3 क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन 1 सेट, प्लीज सॉल्व द सेट. इफ देयर इज ओनली 1 क्वेश्चन देन डू ऑप्शंस. फाइन. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या आएगा कि सपोज दिस क्वेश्चन इज नंबर 1 क्वेश्चन. फाइन. पहला तो टोटल निकालना तो इजी हो गया. अगर पहला ही क्वेश्चन ये होता देन यू टू सॉल्व इट. फाइन. सो यू नो नेवर नो कि वहाँ क्या आने वाला है. ऑप्शन को कीप एज द लास्ट ऑप्शन कि अगर नहीं कर पा रहे हो देन वी आर गोइंग टू यूज ऑप्शन एंड सॉल्व इट. फाइन. अदरवाइज प्लीज सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन प्रॉब्ली, बट स्टिल यू आर एबल टू डू इट विद इन 1.5 year. ऑल वी आर डूइंग, वी आर टेकिंग परसेंटेजेस और वी आर टेकिंग द फ्रैक्शंस. टोटल इतना था तो इतना, इसका बचा, इतना बचा, इतना बचा. ठीक है. यू नॉट गेट इन ऑर्डर कि पहला इजी, फिर मीडियम, फिर टफ. द प्रॉब्लम इज दिस क्वेश्चन आर गोइंग टू बी जम्बल्ड फॉर द अदर पर्सन. यू आर गेटिंग द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ही इज गेटिंग 3, then 1, then 2. So you don't know which order the question is going to come to you. Fine. So you may or may not be able to use the data from the last question. Okay. So that is one method. There is one more method to solve this question. Okay, rather than taking x, can I assume total to be something 100, 200, 300, 400? Fine. The moment I know that everything is divided into 4 parts, wife, son and everything, so I'll assume a bigger number. Let me assume the number as 60. Why I'm doing 60? Because half करना 30 and then remaining person will be 10, 10, 10. So calculation will be more easier. If the 1/6, 1/12 वो calculation करना will be more difficult. Suppose your total taking as 60, so calculation करके you'll get the values. Now 60 is given to you as mother का share suppose come as 15. So 15 is 15.75. So how much will be the total? So that way I can compare the total and the individual values and solve it. चलेगा? Fine. So yes, you can do that. के assume total as 4 lakh. So start with 4. Side car का 4 and then go back to the. Obviously car cannot be 12 lakh because the value have to be less than. तीनों बैठ के ट्राई करना पड़ेगा. Fine. So you can use options as well to solve this question. No problem. So for this last question you have to solve the full chart. तो मतलब अगर 3 का सेट आ गया तो सॉल्व करो, ऑप्शन में मत जाओ. ठीक है, बिकॉज एक्यूरेसी इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. सीधा 12 मार्क्स है. जिसने ये, और प्रॉब्लम इज एनीवन हु इज टारगेटिंग 99 परसेंटाइल विल बी डूइंग दिस क्वेश्चन राइट. तो मतलब ये दिस इज डन बाय एवरीवन. सो कट ऑफ तुम्हारी 3 मार्क्स से ऊपर हो गया, चलेगा. दीज आर द थिंग्स विच एक्चुअली ऐड ऑन टू द कट ऑफ. ऐसे 10 क्वेश्चन आगे तो मतलब एवरीवन विल गेट 30 मार्क्स. तो कट ऑफ 30 प्लस 30 तो हो ही गया, सबने कर लिया. उसके ऊपर तुमने क्या उखाड़ा, दैट विल बी द मेन डिसाइडिंग योर स्कोर्स. ठीक है, फाइन. दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस रेशियो का थिंग. आई टेकिंग दिस क्वेश्चन बिकॉज ये क्वेश्चन कहीं ना कहीं तो देखेगा स्नैप में, एनमेट में, कैट में. दिस वॉज कैट 1998, तो 98 कैट में आ गया, तो बाकी एग्जाम में अगेन विल बी देयर. सो वी हैव सम 1 rupee coin, some 50 paisa coins of 0.5 and some 25 paisa coin. If the total amount is 210, find the number of 1 rupee coins. This is number of coins is 2.5, 3 and 4. Fine. This is your denomination. This is your amount. This is your number of coins. तो amount कितना आ गया? This into this. तो 1 into 2.5, so 2.5, 1.5 and 1. So that is the final ratio for the amount. Fine, so that's your final ratio for the amount of the 3 people. The total is how much? 5. 5 is 210. So everything is 22 times. So number of 1 rupee coin into 22. Into 42, sorry. So 2.5 into 42. 10. In this question, let me redo the question. Your denomination into the number of coins will be the amount. For example, मेरे पास I have got 1 rupee coin, 20 coins. How much is the amount I've got? 20 rupees. If I've got 50 paisa get 20 coins, amount is 10 rupees. Why? This into this. Your denomination into the number of coins is the total amount you have. Fine. So number of coins here is 2.5, 3, 4 from the ratio given to us. Fine. So amount कितना आ गया? 2.5 into 1 rupee is 2.5 rupees. 2.5, 0.5 into 3, 1.5, 0.25 into 4, 1. So this is the ratio of the amount I've got. 2.5, 1.5, 1. So total आ गया 5. 5x total is given as 210. तो x कितना आ गया? 42. 210 by 5. ठीक है, तो 42 is a x. So ये सारे x है. This into 42, this into 42, this into 42. If you've seen one thing that all these questions are more logic based than the calculation based. ठीक है, you have to understand, that is more important to understand the question. ठीक है, और वहाँ पे ऐसे क्वेश्चन आएगा कैट में भी, सीमेट में भी, that you have to be more understanding the question कि इसमें हो क्या रहा है. Alright, so we come to the first end of the first part. A is to B का A is to 2. Fine. तो A अगर ये है, B इतना. All these questions were based on this thing. Fine. इसका detailed lecture we already had or we already going to have. और इसका video is already available online. So please go home and see once the video before you are, so that you are comfortable with it. ठीक है. Otherwise it's a very simple topic.